Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to yet another episode of Let's Play Sleeping Dogs Definitive Edition. Now, I had trouble finding that last drug bust location, but I looked up a video on YouTube showing me how to get there. The guy's name is Steve Wright. Go check it out. Steve Wright, if you're watching this video, thank you very much. I hope I can make you proud about actually being successful in completing that drug bust. Just for you, man. This video is dedicated to you. If you find him, guys, or you can tag him in this video, please do so. Because I really feel like thanking this guy, just showing him the support and showing him the love. I was really close but really far at the same time, so apparently I need to go over here. I'll just leave that car over here. Now, I might get a few criticism for it, but the reason that I'm using that 50% damage absorption suit, I know it's kind of not a fair play because it doubles my chances to survive, but I think as a police officer, you need to be prepared to whatever that's going to be in front of you. So if I can bring myself prepared and look cool while doing it, I'll definitely do that. So I need to swim all the way over here. Man, this place was probably a nightmare for that dude to find. And I need to go over here, I guess. Yeah. No. My bad. Yeah, over here. Let's rock! Ouch! Ouch! Don't touch me again, punk! Ow! What? I'm blocking his attacks. How the fuck? Oh, about damn time. Oh, I don't really have time to pick up the knives. Oh, finally I got something. Come on. Why are you so scared, huh? Oh, of course he's scared. I'm packing a knife. What am I talking about? Someone I could quickly kill some of them? Yeah, I should have used that. Ooh, electrocuted! What's up? Come on! Ouch! Come here, you. Come on, let me grab you, fucking asshole. I'm gonna throw you in the trash can. There you go. Oh, they want to keep coming? Ouch. Shit, he's running away. He's running away. Yeah, you better run away. Punks. Trying to fuck with me. Nobody fucks with Wei Shen. Okay, let's get that real quick. Okay, this was supposed to be a drug bust video, but I guess there's also a video of me, picking up a lockbox. Now, the reason I'm doing it so fast is that I know how to do it automatically. As soon as you see the, line turning yellow, it means that you're close. The line in the middle, which is like a pulse or like a radio indicator. Okay, let's just hack the camera and get this over with. Okay, 0 is correct. I put the 2 over here. 4 and 5 over here. See what I get. 2 goes over here. 5 I guess goes over here. 6 goes over here. 7, 8. Gotta be this one. Got it. And coming back to my house to use the surveillance system. Now, I'm not gonna take the boat for it, right? No, well, let's just make it in style. Enter the boat. Why not? Why the fuck not? We're already here. It's a shame that they can run away just like that, you know, ouch. Okay, how do I get out of here with that boat? Taking it back to shore, baby. Let's try to dock it. Alright. Okay, when doesn't matter, let's not dock it. He's gonna jump into the water. Ah, that's funny. Just for jumping into the water, I'll do that. I tried it, guys. I really tried to dock the boats, but ever since that mission I wasn't successful. I decided to straighten my car out. Fail, 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 epic fail, epic fail. I don't even know why I got down here with that car. I'm so stupid sometimes. Oh, come on. Come on, you're a high roller. Start rolling high up those stairs. Thank you. Now, let's do a great service to the community. It's down here. So dark. Okay, let's look for the jerk with the suitcase. No, that's the jerk with the knife. He's always pissed off. I guess those guys really suck. How the fuck did they kick y'all asses like that? Are you serious? Fuck you, I'm not doing this deal. Huh? Now I have to bring the guys with guns here next time. You guys better pray the cops won't show up. But why? How can they show up here if these, this is a sewer. They're not gonna get down to a sewage system, right? I mean, it's just another cover cop.
I'm positive ID on suspect.
I don't give a fuck if they don't call. Oh shit, police! Run, 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 run! Great job dubbing this video, Dveer. Another deal to the service. I'm an achievement hunter. Well, like I promised, I'll try to do 2 at a time, so we'll get right back to it. And if I can't find it, the video was cancelled. Well, not cancelled, but the video ends way earlier than it should. So let's look for another place to make a drug bust. Whoops! It's hard enough to find those places. No, it's hard enough to fight those guys in a drug bust, but finding those places in addition, that's stupid in my opinion. See if I can find it on a map or something like that. It's gotta be on a map. Nope, it's not on the map. Come on. This one is on the map, so how come the other ones are not? Water access, Chiang Mai sewer interchange. So I need to get into the sewer again. Are you serious? There's gotta be something closer, no chance. In this video I checked it and I had like 17 left. How the fuck did I have? Like I said, I can't find it. I won't do it. I will do it next video. Damn, my car is fucked up. But I like how my fighting skills have developed over time. It's really important, you know, for me at least. Just to make up for the first video where I got my ass handed to me in that drug bust. Let's figure this out, shall we? There's gotta be a way to get down there. Like a staircase or something. There it is. I'll leave my car in here this time. So it is a sewer. Huh. This guy's having fun, I guess. Hope they're not packing guns or something like that, because I'm enjoying the hand-to-hand combat. I think that the idea that some of those drug busts have guys packing heat, you know, it's kind of realistic because they don't want to take chances in certain areas, but this is Hong Kong. It doesn't make sense that they have so much weapons. The weapon system is very strict in Hong Kong. I guess there's only one way to find out. Fuck the sewer systems. Oh, great. Oh, come on. This is tough. I got one. Hey, Mom, I got one. Shit. Fuck you guys! Ah, shit! Sorry guys, I'll see you next time. Fuck that. Oh, man. Yeah, that's terrible, I know, but I'll see you guys next time. I got my ass handed to me. Fuck that. I'll be successful next time, don't worry about that. See ya.